It's springtime, guys, and when I hear that word, I know that I need to start planting my summer bulbs. There's a huge variety of summer bulbs available. But one of my most favorite are amaryllis, and they're great to use in a bowl with some pebbles and the bulb, and that's all you need. Let's show you how. First step is to put your chosen pebbles just over halfway, and then take your selected amaryllis bulbs. The bulbs that I've chosen, a variety called Sonatina. They're great for pots, excellent container plants, slightly smaller, more compact, and have got a beautiful single flower in an array of colors. So go out there and choose the one that you like most. Next step is to take your amaryllis bulb and literally just trim off some of the roots. Next part is simply taking the bulbs, positioning them where you want them in your bowl. There we go. Add a few little pebbles around, and remember the pebbles are just here to support it. Last step to make sure that your bulbs are getting what they need is, remember, we've got to wake them up from their winter slumber, and all we're going to do is add some water in, taking care not to add too much because you literally just want to get the roots dangling in the water. All that's left to do now is find the perfect spot for these. If you enjoyed this clip, like it, share it, go to our YouTube channel and you can learn more about bulbs and how to use them in your garden.